Hi everyone, just a little, I don't know how the video will last for long. Anyway, I got me, parcel from Amazon and they really wrapped it up well. I will, show you, it's, embroidery cotton from my sewing machines, hopefully, and some cotton that, because sometimes some sewing machines don't like cheap cotton, but the cotton I use for college on their sewing machine sits runs smoothly, and I've checked every tension possible and started to do something. But I've even changed the thread and it didn't like its own needle, so I put it down to universal needles. That's what I was told to do, so I've done everything I can. So I just want to show you how really they've done this beautiful box. Actually, I was really surprised. So it's I hope you can see it. Right, embroidery, and it comes with a nice box. But what I liked about it, and I don't know what that's for, I'll have to investigate soon. What it said here, I really did like that. I'm not sure what they are yet, but it said here, which is really nice, but it was very expensive, to be fair. And I gave you about quite a lot of colours. That's for the embroidery on your sewing machine. And I got a little embroidery wherever that's gone. Yeah. So here's my first. So that figured out that is the embroidery. So I looked it up on the internet, as you do. So that's figured that one out. Got more than that, but I think that's it. So I got different colours. I really like that idea, and it's threadier. We have done everything possible to keep the plastic box in a safe condition. If the plastic box was broken and crushed during delivery, do not hesitate to email for a replacement. So that they don't normally say that, do they? I'm not sure what they are. And it said we're on Facebook, Instagram. I might check them on Instagram because I'm more on Instagram. The only social network I'm on now is Instagram. So if you want to follow me there, you'll have to request to confirm me, because I put it as a private account for personal reasons. So that is quite something. Yeah. And I do like the box. I don't know what that is yet. Oh, I'll have to get that open later. So that's either my sewing machine in there and the brother as well. So put it safe on the floor a minute. Right, so I saw these other ones. So I saw these other ones. These were expensive as well, but they're good quality 100% cotton sewing thread. So these are embroidered ones too. Can't find my little card, but yeah, you can tell they're the embroidery, high quality thread. Done by Smith Head Diamond. So I'll have to do some kind of I don't know if they're just normal. I think that might be normal cotton. Yeah, I think that's normal cotton, I'm sure of it. It might be embroidery because I know I looked, it was embroidery on the actual thing. So so that's then that came in a nice they're well packed, Mr. Mitt. I was quite impressed. Actually, I was early. They were early for a change. So it came with a nice box, as you can see, and standard high quality you need for your sewing machines. And hello. Oh wow, that's my sense of humour, isn't it? So yeah, right, okay. So that's that one. These are the normal cotton for the machine. And I might like to have a go after dinner because I like to keep awake as much as possible, then I can sleep at night. So that's a little bit better. So these are staying home. So I'll have a little, I might crochet a bag. Oh, I have got one. I could line it because it's quite a big bag. Yeah. So there are different types of colours. So it says thank you. Just saying, when I write a review, I'll give it a 5-star. Because I've got quite good quality cotton. Do you see what I mean? It's more, because all my other cottons seem to have been a bit knotted. I think it's because it's been travelled around a lot and got battered to death, so to speak. So I decided to I'll show you the colours. Right, these are the pretty colours. I thought they were nice. And that one. So that'd be interested to know what it looks like on the machine. These, because yeah, that'd be interesting, wouldn't it? So come with a nice bag because it's just normal cotton, and they gave you quite a lot, which is quite good. Okay, never mind. Anyway, so what I'm considering and having a little go. See how it is, and if it needs a little bit of expensive cotton, the machines, then yeah. So yeah, I feel like I've invested quite a bit. If today, tomorrow may not be here, so to speak. So I just find it quite. It seems okay. Not seems well made. Not enough hours in a day, is there? For all your hobbies and whatever you want to do in life. So if you like this little video, please like, share, and consider subscribing, and ring that notification bell for future videos. Just hope you have a nice day. Thank you.